I'm Nick Brown, Head of Supply Chain at Häfele UK. Sedex stands for Supplier Ethical Data Exchange. It's a non-for-profit organisation that's used to manage and share supply chain ethical data. So we've been asking our suppliers to complete SMETA audits since 2016. SMETA audits are a physical audit with a third party who will go in and actually interview employees at suppliers and physically check areas such as labour standards, environmental and business ethics. So we started off using the SMETA audits with our suppliers back in 2016. In 2021 we moved on to become an AB member, which enabled us to link suppliers directly with our customers so they could see ethical sourcing data. Sedex helps us to have transparency across the supply chain. It helps us monitor and check for compliance across business ethics and sustainability with our suppliers. 65% of our spend is currently through the Sedex platform, which we're looking to increase over the coming years. We're also looking at improving our packaging. From plastic packaging, we're looking to increase the recycled content used by our suppliers. We're also asking our suppliers to look at FSC. In our warehouse, we are already purchasing 100% FSC certified cardboard packaging, which is a great step to work with our suppliers and encourage them to follow suit.